Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to hide or show the caller ID on this device. So firstly, let's enter the phone app, and here, for example, if we will be on the recents, we have to tap on this three dot icon and enter the settings. Now let's tap on calling counts and choose the card you've got currently inserted, and here we have to tap on additional settings. I've got some problems with the card, but just tap on OK, and as you can see here we've got the caller ID, so let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options. We've got network, default, hide number or show number. I would be to hide the number, just tap on it, and as you can see here we've got also the information which describes us that from now on the number will be hidden in all outgoing calls. Obviously, if you will pick the show number here, we will have the information that the number will be displayed in outgoing calls. So let me hide it. So actually this is it. This is how to show or hide the caller ID in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.